Good evening. I'm a guest in room 205, and I have a few questions. Could you assist me?
Of course. I'm here to help. How can I assist you today?
I wanted to inquire about the hotel's breakfast service. What are the breakfast timings and options available?
Our breakfast service is available from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the hotel's restaurant. We offer a buffet-style breakfast with a variety of options, including continental and local dishes.
That sounds great. I also wanted to know if there are any laundry facilities or services in the hotel.
Yes, we have a laundry service available for our guests. You can either request for laundry to be done by our staff or use the self-service laundry room located on the third floor.
Thank you for the information. I have one more question. Is there a fitness center or gym in the hotel?
Yes, we have a fully equipped fitness center located on the ground floor. It's open 24 hours for our guests' convenience.
That's excellent. I appreciate the amenities. I also wanted to ask about the checkout process. What time is the checkout, and can I request a late checkout?
The standard checkout time is at 12 p.m. However, depending on availability, we can offer a late checkout. I recommend checking with us in the morning of your departure to discuss the possibility.
All right, I'll check with you in the morning. By the way, I'm expecting a package delivery during my stay. Can you provide me with information on how to receive it?
Certainly. Please inform us when you're expecting the package and provide the sender's details. We'll keep an eye out for it and notify you once it arrives at the reception.
That's helpful. Thank you. I also wanted to inquire about local transportation options. Are there any taxis or shuttle services available from the hotel?
Yes, we can arrange a taxi service for you upon request. We can also provide information on public transportation options and assist you with booking any local tours or transfers.
That's good to know. Lastly, are there any nearby attractions or places of interest that you would recommend visiting?
Absolutely. We have a list of popular attractions and recommendations available at the front desk. Feel free to stop by, and we'll be happy to provide you with information and directions.
Thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your help and the information provided.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance during your stay, please don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your stay at our hotel.